Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be answering another frequently asked question on calculator use for ACT math. So this particular question goes like this: can I use a Casio scientific calculator on the ACT? The answer to this question is absolute yes. You can use the Casio calculator if you want. Okay, many Casio scientific and graphing calculators are approved for the ACT, including the Casio F-Personal ES Glassways, the Casio F-Personal 1 CW, even Casio F-Personal 1 ES Plus scientific calculator. I think also Casio FS CG50 graphing calculator is also allowed. So in this my channel I have a couple of specific videos on how to use each of these versions of the Casio to solve math problems under algebra. Okay, as you all know, there is no calculus in ACT. So when you come to my playlist, depending on the Casio calculator you have with you, so you just locate the one that addresses your concern. So just take your time and go to my playlist, the algebra version of the calculator, and if I have videos recorded on this. Okay, so just take your time, come here guys, and have your problem solved. Okay, so I hope this video answer this question correct for you. Okay, so I'm going to end this video and see you in the next video.